The equipment includes digital twin, cloud platform, means management system, integrated industrial robot, CNC system, PLC, AGV, industrial vision and other systems to achieve network construction, process adjustment, bit optimization, data monitoring and other functions. Modular design supports multiple process combinations such as workpiece processing, assembly, inspection and warehousing. In line with the trend of industry technology evolution, can systematically cultivate trainees' equipment operation, process innovation, production line optimization and digital monitoring capabilities, adapt to core courses such as industrial robot system integration and intelligent vision technology application, meet the needs of skill training, competition and appraisal in industrial robots, CNC technology and other professions, providing compound technical talents for the digital transformation of the manufacturing industry.